Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Here I solve LeetCode problems and prepare to the code interview. Today's problem number is 191, number of 1 bits. Write a function that takes the binary representation of the unsigned integer and returns the number of 1 bits it has, also known as the Hamming weight. So let's solve it. Actually, this problem is extremely easy. So if you can see example 1, it has n in binary representation, and we need to count ones in this number. How we do it? So we define some variable answer equals to 0, and while n greater than 0, we will check the bit of the last. We checked if the last bit has 1 or 0. In case of 1, we will increment answer. How we check the last bit? To do it, we can get modulo 1, modulo 2 of n. So n modulo 2. As a result, we will get the last bit. After it, we will divide n by 2. It moves all bits to the right, so second bit will be on the first place, and in the next iteration we will check second bit. Let's do it in the code. First of all, let's create answer variable and return it n. In while loop, let's check while n greater than 0. Increment answer modulo n modulo 2. So if the last bit is 0, we will increment answer by 0. In case of 1, increment by 1. And the last thing, division by 2. So that's its solution. Let's check test. Test passed, submitted. This solution has time complexity of n because it depends on the length of n in binary representation, and memory complexity of 1 because we only need answer variable. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye.